Look at the moment and realize that the creator of the entire universe made this moment for you. I get it. Sometimes you don't like certain moments and you wish they weren't happening. But they are happening, and you're there for a reason. Then there's that part of you that says, but I wanted something else. That's the ego speaking. This is the deeper teaching. Not my will, but thy will be done. You see, when you truly look at the moment and examine your mind, you'll notice it's either resisting, wanting to control, or feeling bored. That's how you're relating to what's in front of you. Are you going to push the moment away? Are you going to grab onto it? Or are you already thinking about the next one? What kind of relationship is that to have with the universe or with God? That's what we do, constantly struggle with the present. But the deepest teaching is waking up. The ego won't just disappear because we talked about it, but you don't have to identify with it. Yes, the ego is there, but do you have to focus on it? No. You don't have to be wrapped up in your ego. It's okay that it's there. It will be there for quite some time, and that's fine. The question isn't how to get rid of it. The question is how to stop identifying with it, how to stop making it the most important thing in your life. That's a big shift. You're not trying to get rid of your ego. Instead, you acknowledge it's there, and you let it be. Maybe your ego complains. Fine. You don't have to complain with it. You don't need to beat it into submission either. If you try to beat it down, you'll just get caught up in it, making it your life's mission to fix it into some ideal version. But for some people, their ego is so strong that they feel like they need to manage it constantly. Their thoughts, desires, opinions, and dreams are so overpowering that they can't get any distance from them. In that case, yes, maybe learning to quiet the ego a bit can help. Maybe working on not letting it run the show will give you some relief. But that's not the end goal. The real goal is noticing. That's the witness consciousness. You observe, there it is, but it has nothing to do with me. When the ego cries out, but I really want this, you just carry on. It doesn't even grab your attention anymore.